Caitlin and Brian mentioned areas to the south of Milwaukee getting the most snow.
Nick Montez is in his adopted home county of Racine today, and he joins us live. Hi, Nick. Back in Racine again, getting pelted with snow.
Exactly, getting pelted, Vinny and Susan. What a difference a couple of hours makes here in Racine. If you remember this morning, there was absolutely no snow, but take a look now. There's at least 2 inches of this white stuff here on the ground, and you can see that it's just kind of wet, not so much heavy, but just kind of wet. A lot of people just doing their best to get through it, through this storm. Now, drivers here, we are actually at Regency Mall. Drivers here just kind of going on South Green Bay Road. You can see here, just kind of taking their time. We had a chance to break away and go see the rest of the city. Some spots doing very well. They're very salted, so those roads aren't too bad, but in other places they are just kind of slushy. So you definitely just want to take your time out on the road. I did put a call into the Sheriff's Department. They tell me that there has been no major incidents, so that's some good news there. And they obviously want to keep it that way, so they suggest just taking your time out on the road and being careful. On your side in Racine, Nick Montez, today's TMJ4.
And Nick, Brian mentioned the wind's picking up a little bit. It sounds really blustery where you are.
Yeah, it is, Susan. Actually, that wind, once it picks up and then that snow kind of comes this way and then it goes that way, and I just kind of have to brush it off my face. And I've seen a lot of people just kind of doing the same thing that I'm doing, except that they run inside and I kind of have to wait out here for my live shot. But not too bad. I mean, I've been doing pretty well considering I'm a SoCal boy, just kind of, brushing it off or, getting it away from my face.
Well, playing good defense, Nick. You look great.
Absolutely, Nick. Thanks for being such a good sport.